Hello guys, today I will be reviewing the CURVO app. What are the up and downsides, the risks, the costs, and let's see if it makes sense for you to use this app. So first things first, what is CURVO? CURVO is an investing app created by these two Belgians, Thomas and Joran. The app lets you invest into ETFs in an easy way without the need to know anything about it. So really anybody can invest into ETFs. Your mom, your dad, your grandma, your Aunt Bernadette, the app is as easy as using a traditional savings account, but with a much higher return rate, which is important right now, while we are facing inflation. As Ray Dalio says, keeping cash in a savings account is watching the value of your money melt away like an ice cube in your hand. CURVO invests in accumulating ETFs, which means that they automatically reinvest the dividends, and as a bonus benefit, you don't need to pay any taxes on it. So let's start up the app. You can sign up with It's Me. What's your main reason for investing? Based on your answers, it matches a portfolio best suited for your risk-return profile. Well, for this demo, let's choose the make the most of my savings. How long are you investing for? Let's choose long term, longer than 10 years. A high return rate always comes with a high risk, which describes you as best. I want to get the potential highest return, so I'm willing to take more risk. Imagine you lose your income tomorrow. How long will you survive with the money on your savings account? Let's say longer than 6 months. Congrats! Based on your answers, the growth portfolio perfectly suits you. It's your ideal balance between risk and return. You can see 80% of the ETFs are invested in developed markets and 20% in emerging markets. You can make an investment or lump sum an amount into your profile with an in-one-go tab. But here is where the beauty lies of CURVO in my opinion, the monthly tab, which is an autopilot, so you can invest each month the same amount, similar like a savings account, which saves you a lot of time each month, so you don't catch yourself trying to time the markets, which is near impossible, but we all think we can do it. And it's as easy as that. They claim to be the easiest way to invest, and I think they might be right. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. In return, you get a picture of a cute squirrel. Hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up with the latest cute animal photos. Wallets. So the app gives you a wallet based on the answers you gave upon registration. These are the wallets that CURVO is providing at the moment. We got a growth profile, an energetic, smooth, calm, and a protective wallet. The growth wallet exists of 80% FTSE all-cap developed market and 20% FTSE emerging market all-cap. So as you can see, when investing with the growth wallet, you do not invest in any obligations, while the protective wallet is almost the opposite. You see, it is heavily balanced towards obligations. So what are the risks? ETF investing is meant for long-term investing. Over time, stock crashes will occur in the market, so if you buy just before a crash, you will feel buyer's regret, as your portfolio is down. Just remind yourself that you're investing for multiple years. The stock market always goes up, even if it takes years to do so. But Amco, what if CURVO goes broke? Will I lose all my investments? No, even if CURVO goes broke, or NNEK, the investing firm that CURVO works with to manage your investments, goes broke, you will not lose your investments. As for your safety and convenience, they are kept by the custodian, which is a separate and independent entity. So Amco, why should I use CURVO instead of doing it myself? You will spend more time learning about ETFs if you do it on your own. With CURVO, you do not need any expertise. CURVO automatically provides a portfolio for you, and the autopilot will save you time. Otherwise, you will need to make time for making your investing purchases, and you will definitely try to time the market. I know I always do. Fractional shares. I think it's a nice benefit for CURVO as your money is invested for you. You can already start investing from 50 euros. All your money is invested, so no money is left doing nothing on your account. All of CURVO portfolios exclude destructive companies to the planet, like oil, gas, weapons and vice products, which makes some investors sleep better at night. There are no transaction costs if you invest with CURVO, which is kinda sweet, and is definitely interesting if you make small purchases each month, like for example 200 euros. CURVO helps you file your taxes, which can save you a headache. CURVO has an easy and user-friendly interface so anyone can use it. They have a speedy support reaction time, and finally it gives you peace of mind. So far so good, huh? So why shouldn't you invest with CURVO instead of doing it yourself? Well, it's the cost price. It's 1% per year on your total investments, which is definitely more expensive than doing it yourself. Over the long term, that 1% will impose a huge cost. The cost is charged quarterly, so each day before a quarter starts, 1/4 of 1% is charged on the total investment amount of your portfolio. So to wrap things up, for the do-it-yourself investors, it's better to do it yourself as it saves you a lot of money. For people who don't want any hassle or don't want to take the time to learn about ETFs, this is a great alternative. I hope they have a bright future ahead of themselves. That's it for today. Go out.